Watch this. Welcome back to another video, my subscribers. A shocking news today. Breathe.
9:13, yeah, 8-1 rating.
The news stars. A sad news today. Sad thing, the dancer king, aka the Gully Bop, the Gully side king, just passed. My people, it's a sad news, but just one of them day there. That's why everybody has to wake up, you have to pray and give God thanks here there, cause tomorrow no promise to nobody. See me I say? I always give thanks, my people. You see me I say? I just want to just drop some R.I.P in the comment section for the artists. Send some condolence to the family. It's a long time I see the artist doing sick out though, you know. Nobody know the artist, you know the artist drop, you know. So upon the news the artist drop out over the Kingston public hospital, you see me? You know, rough today. Viral, everybody mess with it. Every time I go up on YouTube, I see it post. TikTok, everywhere. You see me? I just want the family to just keep strong. I just go and hold the feet. Same way. Cause just so life set, you know. Everybody ever cross the road, they want to idea them. See me as my people. Yeah, man. And big up everybody with on my channel. Same way, always support the things, same way. Blessings. You see me? And always respect for the support. Always remember to subscribe. See me I say? Yeah, man. So I have something else to talk about. I have some video to show you what going on in Jamaica yesterday about the earthquake. So I'm going to see already click them. And just drop on a reaction in the comment section, man. Yeah, man.
It is documented in a CARICOM statement. Fine. Why did we miss the vote then? We're having an earthquake. Oh God.
That's an earthquake?
Are we still on? Yes. That was a...
Already? But really I broke loud kind of.
Can I see the God in my cat back?
Oh my god.
Ready?
We're seeing the God in the bathroom right now.
Ready?
Hand movements important.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. May His favor be upon...
Oh my god, earthquake.
Push it.
Hello, Barbican. At the moment after the earthquake.
I'm saying to you, all the aisles them, all around the aisle 8, every aisle is a mess.
What do you want to tell them? No, why can't I hold it? You want to say anything about the column now?
All of them.
Oh, you mean if we deserve blood clot earthquake? Or you mean if Jamaica forget earthquake? Right now, blood clot here in Jamaica forget every bumbo clot thing. To all me grew up and to all we used to go to church and worship God and everybody used to right on the left out blood clot God. That me I try to tell you, be a guard up and be a bumbo clot, over this and be a island, this and powder. Earthquake in on a bumbo clot, of course. 3 more earthquake like that you want in on a pussy wall. That me I tell you now. We love Jamaica, but we are the people them last. One of these deserve a blood clot wake up call. You mean? Lightning should have, hey, you know?
Reach to the end of this video. Guys, so respect for the support and leave no comments in the comment section for reaction about the earthquake videos and everything and about Gully Bop and everything. You understand? And big up on yourself, so always subscribe and support the thing. Just please get me to 1K subscribers. Big up on yourself.